Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. We are going to make these paper fish. We are making multiple cuts on yellow craft paper using scissors like this. After that we are going to fold it and paste it using double-sided tape like this, and then we are going to cut these shapes and fold them like we are doing here. We are going to make the fins of the fish like this and fold it, and then it is ready. After that we are going to paste it like this using glue. Paste the eyes and then the fins of the fish, and look, it is ready. Look at this origami butterfly. Let's make it. We are folding a paper into half, then we are going to make more folds like this. Make a shape like this, again make folds, and then we are going to open it like this, and look, it is looking like this now. Again fold it into a small piece like this, and then we are going to paste the antennas of the butterfly like this. Open the wings, and then it is ready. We are going to curl the antennas like this, and look, it is almost ready now. You are going to give it a nice touch, and look, it is done.